Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 3 of this, probably not really necessary, but when I make a child's puzzle, and I've made quite a few, I don't use, like, this is like Times New Roman or something. First of all, they're real thin. Second of all, they're breakable. You know, these ends can get marred or whatever. And this is just suggestion for Addison's, I think I pronounced it wrong in the first one. This is Cooper Black that is probably in most windows. And then this is on dafont.com, abstract groovy. You can just type in groovy and it'll probably come up. But if you ever use it, you have to get rid of those little circles, convert them to a curve, break the curve apart, and then you can go through and grab those little pieces that just give it a little signature to the, whoop, don't want to do that. Then you have this, and you could select it all, and this could be your outline for your font. Now, with that said, he engraved the front of it, or just the inside. So you could go to object, and he knows how to do this because he did it before, but just in case you don't, I'm going to group these together and then go to effects, contour. I'm going to contour to the inside with rounded corners, 0.2, and you get that. Now we're going to go to object and break the contour apart, grab the contour and move it up. It's way up there because he's got 22 inches. And then you could make this quite a bit thicker font. You could put it back down to see what it looks like. See how, and you'll see why in just a second why I moved it. Now, the same thing, I'm going to change this nudge factor to 2 and nudge this up. The same thing in before with the other puzzle. I wouldn't cut out these inner circles. Well, if we do that, we need to contour that little A, but that's easy enough. Let's just do that real quick. Matter of fact, you could just do this. You can break the curve apart. Take this now and convert it to curves. Break the curve apart, or ungroup it at least. And take that and just make it a thicker line. I think we did 0.125, but in black. I don't know why I did that. Let's back up here. Let's nudge that thing up and make it black and make it, there we go. That might be a little bit thicker than before. But what I'm saying is we don't want to cut these center parts out because one, they're small, so you'd have to cut little bitty pieces to go in there, and two, something the child could put in their mouth. So if you'd cut these out, and then that's what your letters are going to look like that. And then and this is personal preference and only my suggestion. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.